Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pharma Learning with Deepika. I hope you all are doing great. So without wasting your time, let's start a new video on the chapter mixing. So today we will solve the multiple choice question on the chapter mixing. For my previous videos on mixing chapter, you can check the link in the description box or you can click on the I button also. So the first question is, which of the following with respect to mixing is true? So the first option is, it is used to distribute heat uniformly to all the components of the mixture. B is, mixing becomes difficult when one of the phases to be mixed is in a minor quantity. Then C option is, solute mixing is more difficult than other phases. D, all of the above. So the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. Next question is statement 1. Root mean square is denoted by sigma 2, or a second statement is sigma 2 will show the variation of the composition obtained after mixing. Hence, the lesser it is, the more efficient is the mixing. So the A option is true, false. B option is true, true. C option is false, true. D option is false, false. So the correct answer is B, that is true, true. So both the statements are correct. Next question is, mixing index is applicable for mixing of solid at 0 time. So option A is true, B false, C may be true, D none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is true. Next question is, which of the following conditions show that a certain industrial mixture is the best? Option A, powder load deviation is minimum, standard deviation is minimum. C option is, time required for mixing is minimum. D option is, all of the above. So the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. Next question is, mixing index is a ratio of standard deviation of various products during mixing to that at 0 mixing. So A option is true, B option is false, C option is maybe true, D none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is true. Next question is, rate of mixing at any time is given by the extent of mixing at that particular time. Option A true, B false, C may be true, D none of this. So the correct answer is option A, that is true. Next question is, the force used for mixing by mixing equipment for the paste and the dough is dash. So the A option is centrifugal smearing, B impact, C tumbling, D all of the above. So correct answer is all of the above. Next question is, the clearance between the impeller and the vessel is a mixture is usually kept dash. A high, B low, C cannot be determined, D none of this. So the correct option is low. Next question is statement 1. Kneader are especially used for pastry or viscous liquid in the food industry. Statement 2 is, kneaders are used for mixing dough with fats and making them homogeneous mixture. A option is true, false, B option is true, true, C option is false, false, D option is false, true. So the correct answer is B, that is true, true. Next question is statement 1. Effectiveness of mixing is kneader depends on the blade design. Statement 2. Kneaders have a high clearance between the two oppository rotating blades and the vessel. Option A is true false, B true true, C false false, D false true. So the correct answer is B, that is true true. Next question is statement 1. Which mixture is used when one of the component is very less in quantity? Statement 2. This mixture is used to mix item in savory or a snack item. So option A is ribbon mixture or palantry mixture. Option B is palantry mixture or double cone mixture. Option C is double cone mixture or double cone mixture. Option D is palantry mixture and the palantry mixture. So the correct answer is C, that is palantry mixture and double cone mixture. Next question is, which of the following is true with respect to mixing operation in the food industry? So the option A is ice cream, B is confectionery product, C is the chlorinated water, D is all of the above. So the correct answer is D, that is for all of the above. Next question is, gold ore concentration is mostly done using option A jigging, B tabling, C fourth flotation, D lutration. So the correct answer is B, that is tabling. Next question is, Rittinger's number designates the new surface created per unit mechanical energy absorbed by the material being crushed. Larger value of Rittinger's number of a material indicated its option A, easier grindability, B, poor grindability, C, high power consumption in draining, then D is none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is easier grindability. Next question is, which of the following clay mixing device is vacuum operated from deaeration of the clay? Option A, that is Banbery mixture, B, Pudge mixture, C, Muller mixture, or D, none of this. So the correct answer is B, that is Pudge mill. Then next question is, what does the solid liquid separation operation don't involve? A, gravity sedimentation, B, magnetic separation, C, filtration, D, centrifugation. So the correct answer is B, that is magnetic separation. Question number 17 is next. What process happen in leaching? Option A, solvent separator mixture, B, two solvent separator mixture, C, solvent selectivity dissolves one of the component, D, the mixture is heated so that one solid sublimates and is separated. So the correct answer is C, that is a solvent selectivity dissolve one of the component. Next question is, what happened in an ideal leaching stage of a mixture of A and B? So option A is the solvent dissolves some B and some A. The solvent dissolve none of A and all B. C, the solvent dissolve all A and B, which makes separation easier. And D, the solvent does not dissolve any A and B. So the correct option is a solvent dissolve none of A and all B. The next question is, what increases the solid concentration? Option A, increasing viscosity of the liquid phases, decreasing viscosity of the liquid phases, increasing temperature of the liquid phases, or decreasing temperature of the liquid phases. So the correct answer is A, that is increasing viscosity of the liquid phases. Next question is, what is eutectic point? So option A is the temperature at which the mixture boil, B, the temperature at which the mixture gets out of the equilibrium, C, the temperature at which the component have same molar flow rate, D, the temperature at which the mixture freezes. So the correct answer is D, that is the temperature. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you are liking my videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel and share my videos as much as you can with your friends and family members. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Take care.